Unscrew the bottom cover and carefully lift the watch movement from the bottom. Use adhesive paper to separate the dial and the hand to scratch carefully, and remove the original hand with a needle lifter. Cut out the leg of the dial. Avoid hitting. Align the groove and convex point at the 12 o'clock position of the movement. Press it in and fix it with double-sided tape if it is unstable. Wipe dust and dandruff from the dial. Wipe the watch hand again to make sure there is no dust on the surface. Align the hour hand with the hole position.
I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult.
Place the inner ring on the black shell and align it.
Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
Install a waterproof ring to ensure that the modified watch will not leak.
Upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't.
Finally, the sapphire glass is pressed into the black shell through the mirror press. Under the light, pay attention to distinguish the front side of the glass. The glass edge has a blue line, then the reverse side of the glass is blue throughout.
In the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. You know I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now.
Waterproof film is placed at the bottom.
I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it.
Screw the bottom cover backward.
Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not